Oh, hello there. So today we're gonna change the oil on the Skidoo Skandic there. It's a 2015 model 900 Ace. It's a 4-stroker there, and super wide track. Yeah, we change oil about once a year, you know, and it's about time to change oil for the season. So the first thing you do is we're gonna fire her up and let her warm up for about 5 minutes or so. Get that oil nice and warm, she'll flow quick. So fire up this beast there. Yeah, she's a pretty good machine there. We use her for grooming the cross-country ski trails up there at Spirit Mountain, you know. And she gets up them there hills and pulls a Ginsu groomer. So she's a working machine, you know. She's got a job. She's not just for play. She's got to go to work. So we'll let her warm up there for a little bit, and then I'll put some wood under the skis and jack her up a little bit and show you how to change oil there. Okie dokie, so we got her warmed up a little bit there now, so we'll shut her down and get this process started there. Shut her down, and then to pull this panel off here, usually there's a little tab right there, but these things, they're rubber, you know, and they break off, but she stays still on there, you know. So I'll pull that little panel off there, and then we'll pull this panel off here. We'll just twist that there nub. Got a little tab right down here. Push her in. Oofda. Okie dokie, we got her off there. So we're trying to get at the dipstick here, and she's on the left side of the machine, and I'll pull out the dipstick so that releases the pressure in the motor there, and when I start draining, she'll just flow right out of there. Okie dokie, so you can see under this Skidoo here, under the motor, there's this little panel here, and I'm gonna take out just one of these guys here all the way, and so it releases on one side. And then I'll just loosen that one up, just maybe 3 turns, and so I can swing this this panel to the side and not lose it, you know. Okie dokie, so I got that panel slid over there, and you can see there's 2 bolts there that got to come out. And they're T40 star head there. So you gotta pull both of them. Not sure why, just maybe half a quart comes out of one of them, and then the rest of it comes out the other one there. But to get all the oil out, you gotta take both of them out. So what we'll do is just we'll do one at a time, that way we don't mess up which one goes where, you know. So we took out the little one there, and the little bolt there, and she's not draining very much, but we'll let her drain, and then put this one back in there. It must be the big one there that lets all the the oil out of there. Okie dokie, here comes the big one there. Whoa! Oh yeah, she's a gusher. I think I lost the boat and the oil pan there. Gonna have to go fishing. Yeah, you're doing any baits here that are good for fishing out boats? Probably a good magnet. Oh, she flew out of there pretty darn quick. Oh, let her drain for a little bit. Oh, geez, I don't got any empty containers to put this oil in until I empty out the new stuff. So we'll have to go fishing for the boat by hand. Let's see here. Oh, she's hot. I don't think she's in there. I feel nothing in there. Oh, you know what? She fell down inside the motor. Sitting right there. Ah, jeez. Yeah, so she takes about 3 quarts there, 3.5 quarts, depending if you change the filter or not. We're not going to change the filter today, but I can show you where their filter is. We change about every other year. She's a pain in the butt to do, but I gotta change the filter too, you know. So we'll load her up at 3 quarts and see where we are on the dipstick, and I'll show you where to change the oil there. Okie dokie, so we got her all buttoned up down there underneath, and we're gonna fill her up with some oil. So the best way is just to get a long funnel there. This here motor, I like to put in the Amsoil. Oh, you can't see it there. Here, put her down there. It's good stuff there. Probably some of the best stuff you can get right there. Signature Series there, Amsoil. So for this made right over the bridge there in Superior, Wisconsin, you know. There's one. There's 2. There goes the number 3. Whoa. Woofed a little too fast there. Take her easy. Okie dokie, so we're on the other side of the machine there, and to change the filter you gotta pull off that panel there, the other lower panel, and this front panel up here, you gotta pull that there whole thing off. And then the fun part is you gotta pull off the muffler. So there's these little springs down there, and what I do is just use the vice grips there, and narrow grip vice grips there, and pull the springs off. Got that one there, and then you got these two up here. You gotta pull them there springs off. Then you gotta push up the exhaust pipe there to get at the filter, and the filter is right there below the pipe there. I don't know if we can see there. Right there is the filter. So the next video we'll do probably change that filter there for you, and show you how to do that next year maybe. Yeah. Okie dokie. Talk to you later.